this reason for change. I don't know if you've ever used that before. If you go to project setup and go to additional customizations, down near the bottom, there is this require a reason when making changes to an existing record. By default, that's unchecked. This has existed for a long time, but they did make a change to it. In the past, if you came in and made a change to multiple fields, okay, so I made a change to 3 fields. In the past, when I click on save and exit, it would prompt me for reason for change for each one of those fields. It no longer does that. It applies them to all those, saving you a lot of time if you use that feature. Then once you have done that, it saves it in the log. Okay, not the email log, but the log itself. And notice that there's a reason for the data change. It's a new column, maybe that's been added. But anyway, it applies all of those changes that you made to all of these. And if you wanted to say something specific, like ethnicity was new and race changed with new information, you know, you could say whatever you want here. It's a text field, so whatever you want to do with that. And then finally, there is a new option in data exports. So if you export data, there is an advanced option that says if there's a form status field with a gray status icon, you can change it to blank. If it's, you know, set to just automatically put in a 0, you can set it to blank. So, you know, it's best if you play around with that yourself to see if it's useful for you. It sounds like it should be good, but, you know, I'm not sure how it applies to all the different stats applications. So that's all the changes that they put in the other day. So hopefully that's informative for you and saves you a little time and pain in trying to figure out how they work, because there are some nuances.